Morning, students. As you know, our third lesson is going on, that is transformation of substances, and our today's topic is oxides. Oxides are the binary compounds of oxygen. Binary means those compounds which are made up of only two types of elements. So if one of the atom is oxygen and the other is of metals or non-metals, then the resultant will be called as oxides. Oxides further can be classified into two parts. One is non-metallic oxides and the other is metallic oxides. Non-metallic oxides are the oxides which are made with non-metals like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxides, etc. It may be further divided into two parts, acidic oxides and neutral oxides. Acidic oxides are those oxides which will turn blue litmus solution to red. Neutral oxides are those oxides which will neither acidic nor basic. Similarly, metallic oxide can also be classified as two parts. One is basic oxides and the other is amphoteric oxides. Basic oxides are those oxides which will turn red litmus solution to blue. Amphoteric oxides, ampho means two or both. Amphoteric oxides are those oxides which will behave as acid in the presence of base and which will behave as base in the presence of acids. Here in this table you can observe zinc oxide. It is a metallic oxide and zinc oxide react with sodium hydroxide which is a base and gives us salt plus water. Similarly, this zinc oxide behave as base in the presence of acid and gives us salt and water. Acid base always gives us salt plus water. So, amphoteric oxides will give us salt and water in the presence of acid as well as in the presence of base. Some hydroxides can also be amphoteric in nature. Three examples I have written here. One is zinc hydroxide, the other is aluminium hydroxide as you can see here, and third one is lead hydroxides. These three metallic hydroxides are amphoteric in nature because they will show reaction with acid as well as with bases. Dear students, keep remember one general equation, that is always acid plus base gives us salt plus water. Thank you.